G'day guys, Morgan Jones here from Business Insurance Group. Today I just wanted to share with you a really quick tip if you're comparing two types of policies with each other and they both appear to have the same limits. One really quick thing that you can look out for. Now this becomes really relevant when you're talking about liability policies, public liability policies, professional indemnity management liability. That's the type of limit that you've got. So for example, you might have two policies that each say, well, we cover you up to $1 million in the event of a claim. But then in the fine print, it says one is $1 million with legal fees to be paid in addition to that sum insured. And the other one is $1 million with legal fees to be included inside that sum insured. So it's important to remember that in the event of a liability claim or professional indemnity or management liability, that's going to be instituted by somebody trying to take you to court or someone trying to claim some sort of money from you. And the first thing the insurer is going to do is appoint lawyers to either try to fight or look through that claim and figure out whether you are or are not liable. So the moment that happens, all of a sudden you're eroding this $1 million limit. And it would be absolutely not uncommon for legal fees to get up to that $1 million mark if you've got a very serious piece of litigation on your hands. So if you've got a $1 million limit and the legal fees are sitting there eroding it, then by the end of the day and it comes time to actually pay your claim, there might be nothing left for you. So what you really want is to make sure you've got that limit with the legal fees paid in addition. So that's called a costs in addition limit, and the other is called inclusive of cost limit. So really look through the wording, figure out what type of limit you got, because it might be the difference between you being covered and you being left short.